Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. The top brass of the Jamaica Olympic Association, the JOA, and the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, the J3As, have labeled allegations of the use of clenbuterol by Jamaican sprinters at the 2008 Beijing Olympics as false and an attempt by the ARD documentary to destroy Jamaica's good name.
A day after the ARD documentary claimed the IOC and WADA covered up positive tests by Jamaican sprinters for clenbuterol at the 2008 Olympics, Jamaican officials led by JOA President Mike Fennell have come out swinging.
First, I must affirm that we have not received any official notification from either the IOC or WADA about these allegations. And I can only go from the information that has been included in that video. I think some of the innuendos and assertions have been unfortunate, if not outright false, and hopefully these will be corrected by the IOC and WADA in due course.
President of the J3As, Dr. Warren Blake, says the makers of the documentary are trying to sully Jamaica's reputation.
Obviously, the documentary is aimed at trying to destroy Jamaica's good name. And I find it very interesting that the WADA official who they showed in the documentary made no mention of sprinters, but yet still they have extrapolated from Jamaican athletes to sprinters. And once you see that, you know what they are trying to do. They are trying to destroy our dominance in sprinting by false allegations.
Fennell agreed.
They cannot believe that this little country can produce so many superstars, and they're trying to find some way to damage that. And we'll just have to protect our interests and protect our athletes, because our athletes are clean and we respect very much the anti-doping rules and the anti-doping campaign. But let's not smear our clean athletes. We need to defend them fully.
Quizzed whether the IOC or WADA notified the J3As of any other doping violations apart from Nesta Carter's infringement for the stimulant methylhexanamine from 2008, Dr. Blake responded,
No, we have had no notification of any positive samples coming out of the retesting program, none whatsoever.
Dr. Blake also agreed with the IOC's decision not to pursue the reported low traces of clenbuterol.
If you eat meat where they have fed the animals with clenbuterol, you will get contaminated. And this is what the response is saying, that the levels are so low that it would have to come from some contamination. And the IOC and WADA has every right not to pursue what the things that they cannot hold up in court.
Fennell, who denied being contacted by the producers of the documentary, took a jab at comments from WADA's founding president, Richard Dick Pound, in the documentary.
All our top athletes were exposed to extensive testing, and in fact our athletes were tested more than most other athletes in the world. So this is an assertion that's totally untrue and should not be given respect in terms of its validity.
Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Keon Reyna.